2.2 Solving equations with multiply and divide. 2x equals 10. 2 times what equals 10? X equals 5 because 2 times 5 equals 10. 2x equals 238. What would you do to figure out 2 times what equals 238? You would divide 238 by 2, which equals 119. So 2x equals 238, divide by 2 on both sides. On the left, the 2's divide out. On the right, 238 divided by 2 equals 119. Solve. 3x equals negative 15. Divide by 3 on both sides. On the left, 3x divided by 3 equals 1x, which equals x. On the right, negative 15 divided by 3 equals negative 5. Solve. Negative 4x equals 24. You must divide by negative 4 on the left to get x alone. If you divide by positive 4, you'll still have the negative. So you have to divide by negative 4, so both the negative and the 4 cancel. On the right, you have to do the same thing as the left. 24 divided by negative 4 equals negative 6. Solve. 2x equals 19. 2x equals 19, divide by 2 on both sides. 19 over 2. 19 does not divide by 2 nicely, and 19 over 2 does not reduce. So that is the answer. Solve. 4x equals 22. This means multiply, so you divide to cancel. So you get 22 divided by 4, but that doesn't divide by 4 nicely. But we do reduce because 2 goes into 22 and 2 goes into 4. 2 goes into 22 11 times. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So 11 over 2 is the final answer. Solve. 5x equals 0. Divide by 5 on both sides. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. What if the problem has division? If I said blank divided by 2 equals 14, what would you do to figure it out? You would multiply 14 times 2 equals 28. Check. 28 divided by 2 equals 14? Yes. Solve. X over 2 equals 14. That means x divided by 2 is 14. So what divided by 2 is 14? So the opposite of divide by 2 is to multiply by 2. So on the left side, those 2's will cancel out to give you x. On the right side, 2 times 14 is 28. Solve. X divided by negative 4 equals 5. If x is being divided by negative 4, we have to multiply by negative 4 on both sides, so that the negative and the 4's cancel on the left. On the right, do the same thing to both sides. Negative 4 times 5 equals negative 20. Solve. Negative 3/4 x equals 5 over 7. You can multiply by the reciprocal here as a shortcut. The reciprocal means the flip. What's the flip of negative 3 over 4? Be negative 4 over 3. So multiply both sides by negative 4 over 3. Let's look on the left side. You see how the 4's would cancel. On the right side, the 3's would cancel. And the negatives would also cancel, so we get x. On the right side, multiply straight across. 5 over 7 times negative 4 over 3. A positive times negative equals negative. 5 times 4 is 20. 7 times 3 is 21. That's the end of this lesson.